Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for cantilever beam mistakes. If you are related with building construction, so watch this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Guys, here this is RCC column and this is cantilever beam. What are the common mistakes which normally people are doing on the construction site? So remember, the first one is very important for you people to know about this point which I'm discussing with you people. If the size of the column is less than cantilever beam, so this is one of the big mistake, because this cantilever beam supported by this column. So if the column size is less than this beam, so you will face more problem. This is the first big mistake. Suppose the size of the column is, let me write here in detail, so let me focus the camera first. Okay, so if the size is, for example, 9 by 9 inches, for example, this is the size of the column, and the beam size is, for example, let me write here, if the beam is 9 by 12 inches, so you will face more problems in this case. So this is one of the big mistake. Okay, so column size should be more than cantilever beam, and the people are making a lot of mistakes, especially in this point. This is the first one. The second one, guys, end of the beam, which is called free end. Guys, you can see this is called free end because we don't have any support here. Guys, you can see this is called free end. So the free end thickness should be less than its supported side. Guys, you can see, so for example, if the size is here 9 by 12 inches, for example, width is 9 inches and the depth is 12 inches, so it should be 12 inches at this place. Guys, you can see it should be 12 inches, and here you try to keep it 6 to 7 inches. This is very important for you people because this is free end, so therefore this should be less than this this supported end. Guys, you can see. Next, guys, here the other one, as I discussed before, fixed end, or you can say fixed end depth should be more than free end. Alright, guys, as I discussed here, 6 to 7 inches, so here you can say 12 inches. If this is 18 inches, so keep this 18 inches and keep this about 9 to 12 inches. Like this, guys, you can do by your analysis. Next, guys, this is very important for you people to know about this point. Use more bars at top portion and cantilever beam. I'm talking about cantilever beam, therefore remember this. Use more bars at the top of cantilever beam, right? It means, so this is the beam section, guys. So if you are using 3 bars at the bottom, suppose after analysis, so use 5 bars at the top portion because this is free end, so the loads comes on the top of this, so therefore the top bar should be more than its bottom. But in normally simply supported beam, use less numbers of bars at the top portion, which is called compression zone, and use maximum numbers at the bottom. But this is opposite of the simply supported beam, so use top bars more compared to its bottom portion, right? This is the other point. Next, guys, here let me create a longitudinal bar. So guys, you can see here, the top longitudinal bars should be same like this, which should be connected with the, guys, you can see the column longitudinal bars, and these ends should be like this and the other one should be like this. Guys, you can see let me create it. Guys, you can see it should be upward to the upward side like this, which is called development length is very important in cantilever beam. If you don't provide development, so you will face more problems, because these steel bars are fixed with the column longitudinal bars. If you don't provide the development length, so you have 100% chances, especially for this cantilever beam, okay, for failure. So you cannot it cannot support the structure load when the load comes on the top of this. Next, guys, this is very important for you people to know about this. The people are using the spacing of stirrups same like this, guys, you can see. So here the stirrups should be placed closely at the free end here, and when you are coming at the mid of this beam, so you can increase like this, like you can say, guys, okay. And cantilever beam, if it's going more than, and the first stirrup should be placed with the spacing of minimum 2 inches. The first one, minimum 2 inches center to center, right? But this is very important for you people to know about this point, what I'm telling you right now. So if the beam is, cantilever beam is going more than 4 feet, if it's going more than 4 feet, so in that case, don't use less than 16 millimeter of bar. You can use minimum 16 millimeter if you are going more than 4 feet. If you can keep up to 4 feet or 3 feet, 2 feet, so 12 millimeter can also work properly there. But here, guys, you can see the stirrups. So the stirrups should be 8 millimeter minimum, okay, with the spacing of minimum, with the spacing of 3 inches at the free end, center to center. After this, guys, you can see when you are going to this side, so you can increase up to 5-6 inches, you can keep center to center, okay. But don't use less than 8 millimeters, especially in cantilever beam, as I discussed in many videos. Next, guys, remember, for cantilever beam especially, use minimum, guys, M20 grade concrete. M20 grade concrete ratio is 1:1.5:3. Minimum M20 grade concrete should be used for this construction, especially for the cantilever beam. And as I discussed before for you people, that in many videos I've already discussed, concrete cover is also very important. So the concrete cover should not be less than 1.5 inch. Concrete cover 1.5 inches, or you can say 40 millimeter. Guys, this is a short video, but very important for you people to know about these points. Column size should be greater than cantilever beam. Fixed end depth should be more than its free end, as I made already the diagram. Use more bars at the top portion in cantilever beam. Use minimum M20 grade concrete. And you can see concrete cover should be 40 millimeter or 1.5 inches. And as I discussed before, use if you are going more than 4 feet, if that is 2-story or 3 stories, you use minimum 16 millimeter die of steel rod. As you can see, guys, the spacing, so at the middle of the cantilever beam, if that is 5 feet, so at the distance of 2.5 feet, so you should keep the spacing close at the free end, guys, you can see, which is this one. After that, you can increase up to 5-6 inches and use minimum 8 millimeter die of steel rod. The development length is very important, as I discussed here, and also at the free end, and also here to fixed with the longitudinal bars which we are using in RCC column. Hope this short video can help you to know about big mistakes, especially the people are doing on the construction site. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.